Hey there YouTube, this is Paul Fenema, Malone Tuning Cranbrook, and I've got a BRM Volkswagen Jetta. It's a TDI motor, and a common problem is for the turbocharger to fail. What I've seen is talk about replacing the turbocharger by taking off the valve cover and slipping the turbocharger down in like that. I didn't want to take off the valve cover. I don't like that idea at all, so I took the catalytic converter out and slipped the turbocharger out that hole. It is a tight fit even after you take off the smart actuator. Now I'm reinstalling the turbocharger. It's got a new cartridge on it, and I'll have to reinstall this actuator back to its location. I'm doing that by hanging it off this one nut, one stud coming off of the exhaust, leaving it on an angle. I also have the intake manifold off, and that's so I could clean it and do some other work taking off the EGR system. I hope this has been helpful. Happy tuning. I'm going to be putting a Stage 1.5 Malone tune on this, EGR off, as well as a few other little goodies like increased glow plug duration. They're all great modifications for the car. Look at malonetuning.com for more details on the tuning side for any of the TDIs. Anyways, happy tuning. See you later. Okay, now I've got that actuator reinstalled. I've dropped the turbocharger down onto the cross member there. And now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the intake manifold. I can just easily slide it down into place. This one happens to be modified in that there's no EGR valve on there.